Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are looking on the opposite hand hypotenuse, same thing also applicable here. So we are looking for what? For our adjacent side. So how are we going to look for our what? For our adjacent. So we make use of what? Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, which states that hypotenuse squared is equals to what? Opposite squared plus adjacent squared. For our acute angle of A, we have, what is our hypotenuse? Our hypotenuse is what? Root 6. Root 6 squared is equals to what? The opposite, 1 squared plus x squared. Same thing also applicable here. We have 3 squared is equals to what? 2 squared plus x squared. Root 6 squared, we have 6 equals to what? 1 plus x squared. So therefore, our x squared is equals to what? 6 minus 5. 6 minus 1, that's 5. So the exact value of x equals to what? Root 5. Same thing here, we have 9 plus 4. Sorry? 9 is equals to 4 plus x squared. Collect the line terms, you have x squared is equals to what? 9 minus 4, that's we have 5. So the exact value of our x equals to what? Root 5. Give. Now, the exact thing they asked us to find the exact value of tan a plus b. So before we can look for the tan a plus b, so we have to look for all our trigonometry ratio for the acute angle of a and acute angle of b. As you know, our sine, trigonometry ratio of sine is being given, which is sine a is equals to what? 1 over root 6. Our cos a also, we are going to look for it. We have already get our x as what? As root 5 here. Same thing, root 5 here. So as we all know that cos is equals to what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse from the word abbreviation of what? So, cos simply means adjacent over hypotenuse. What is our adjacent? Our adjacent is what? Root 5. All over what? Our hypotenuse, which is what? Root 6. Are we together? Then our tan also, tan A, opposite over adjacent. Our opposite here is what? Where the angle is facing. 1 all over what? Adjacent, root 5. If you like, you can rationalize or you leave it like this. So 1 over root 5 also can also be written as what? Root 5 all over what? All over 5. Why this one can be written as what? When you rationalize, you have 6 times 5 is 30. All over
6.
Exactly. So you leave out, that's all about our trigonometry ratio for acute angle of A. So the same thing we follow here, we're going to apply it at our acute angle of our B also. Our sine acute angle B has already been given as 2 over 3. So cos B will be what? Our abbreviation. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So we have root 5 all over 3. Then our tan B is equals to what? Opposite all over what? Adjacent. 2 all over 3 root 5. Good. So if you like, you can rationalize up 2 root 5 all over what? 5. Good. So now back to our question. They exactly asked us to find the value of time A plus B. Tan A plus B. Tan A plus B. From our double angle, we also know that tan A plus B can be reversed as what? Can be written as tan A plus tan B all over 1 minus what? Tan A tan B. Since that we have already located our tan A and tan B from our trigonometry ratio, then we apply them to this. Our tan A is given as root 5 over 5. Root 5 over what? 5? Abi? Good. While our tan B can be written as what? 2 root 5 all over what? 5. All over 1 minus root 5, the product of tan A and tan B. 2 root 5 all over 5. So without doing any mistake, you solve your numerator separately, then we solve our denominator separately. Taking the numerator, we have root 5 all over 5 plus 2 root 5 all over 5. You find what? The LCM. The LCM of this is what? Is 5. So we have root 5 plus 2 root 5. 5 in 5, 1. 1 times root 5, we have root 5. 5 in 5, 1. 1 times 2 root 5, we have 2 root 5. Root 5 plus 2 root 5, we have 3 root 5 all over 5. So which simply means our numerator, everything is 3 root 5 over 5. Then we solve our denominator. Same we solve this. Taking the denominator. 1 minus root 5 all over 5 times 2 root 5 all over 5. According to law of our board maths, you solve the multiplication first before you subtract. Root 5 multiplied by 2 root 5, you have minus 2 root what? 25. All over 5 times 5 is what? Is 25. 1 minus root 5 is what? Is 5. So 5 times 2 all over 25. 2 times 5, we have what? Sorry? So we have 1 minus 10 all over 25. Then we find the LCM. So we have the LCM of this one is 25. 1 in 25 is 25. 25 times 5 times 1, you have 25. Minus 25 in 25, 1. 1 times 10, you have 10. So you subtract 25 minus 10. 25 minus 10 is 15. 15 over 25. Can 15 divided by 25? 5 here, 3. 5 here, 5. So the exact value of our denominator is what? 3 all over 5. So taking our what? Numerator and denominator together. So our numerator is 3 root 5 all over what? 5. While our denominator is 3 all over 5. When taking both of them together, which can also be written as 3 root 5 all over 5 divided by 3 all over 5. And we all know that division do normally change to multiplication, whereby the denominator part of this is going to go up while our numerator will come down. So we have 3 root 5 all over 5 multiplied by what? 5 all over 3. 5 cancel 5, 3 cancel 3. So therefore our final answer is root 5. So that simply means that tan A plus B is equals to what? Root 5. Therefore